of impure water, strange odors, and frequent complicated filter replacement? Guangdong Filterpur Technology specializes in the R&D and production of high-quality water purification core components. We redefine safe, pure, and convenient water experience with exquisite technology. Our premium filter cartridges and RO membranes adopt high-density precision filter materials, which effectively intercept sediment, bacteria, heavy metals, and other impurities. Compared with traditional products, our tool-free, quick-install design saves time and effort. With anti-clogging and long service life features, it greatly reduces equipment maintenance costs. Filterpur has a complete product system, including standardized products and customized components. It perfectly adapts to household water purification, commercial water equipment, and smart appliance purification systems, meeting global one-stop water upgrade demands. All Filterpur products comply with strict international production standards. We strictly control quality from raw material selection to finished product testing. With professional R&D and mature production systems, our products maintain stable performance and meet global market access standards. More than water purification products, we provide reliable and cost-effective solutions. Filterpur brings pure and healthy water experience to global users and competitive products for cooperative merchants. Premium water purification components. Choose Filterpur. Welcome global partners for sincere cooperation.